Hey guys, it's Q from Auto Choice. If you're looking for a camper, we got one for you. This is a 23-foot Forest River Platinum SALEM FSX. We'll start over here. You got your freshwater hookup, hot water heater out here. Cool feature here, got an outdoor kitchen with a flat stone grill and a mini fridge. Follow me around back. When you're done at the lake and you're all sandy, you need to wash those feet off, got an outdoor shower for you. And you can follow around here. Got your cable satellite hookup, your city water connection, a black water flush for your tank, and your main power in. This one has a slide out with the dinette in it. You come over here, we got our storage, goes all the whole length of the camper, or the width. And you got your LP up here, your battery. Cool thing about this new one is it does come ready with a solar input, so you can charge your battery. All right, I'll show you guys the inside and check it out. Here's your control board. You got your power awning, water pump, water heater, your outdoor lights, indoor lights, battery, freshwater, black, gray, all indicators of how full they are. And over here we have a queen size bed and couch. So it's Murphy bed. Put these down and it folds down just like that. So simple. And then we got our dinette over here, which is in the slide out, so you get extra room here. This also goes down into a bed. You go over here, we got microwave, 2-burner cooktop, your furnace, and a large sink for doing the dishes. Then we got our refrigerator here. This is a 12-volt fridge, so it runs off your battery. You don't need to be plugged into power. It's got our AC unit up top. And here we got our thermostat for the heat, cable, Wi-Fi connections, and a TV backer you can mount there. This one's got 2 bunks that are size here. Step in here, we got our bathroom, stand-in shower, toilet, and sink. Alright, if you guys are interested in this camper, just come down, check it out. We got Wes, Gary, and Ben to show it to you.